My favorite thing to make is jam. So with an abundance of blueberries this year, fresh from the trees on the homestead, I am going to show you how to make my favorite quick blueberry jam. First, you just start with picking those fresh, ripe blueberries, putting them into a pot and mashing them up. Then you will take your sugar and add it into your blueberries. Once the blueberries start getting heated up on the stove, and after you add in your 1 pack of pectin. This pectin ensures that your jam will set up and it will not be too runny. At that point, you will have blueberry syrup. So once you have added your pectin to your mashed blueberries, go ahead and stir that in so that there are no lumps and it is well incorporated. Once your jelly gets to a nice rolling boil, go ahead and add in your sugar according to the package of your pectin mixture. Then immediately continue just stirring in your sugar so that no lumps are made and everything gets incorporated very well. At this stage, you will keep stirring the jam mixture, making sure that it does not stick to the bottom and scorch. You will quickly be able to tell when it is almost finished because, one, you can check the back of the spoon, noting that there is no drippage between that wipe. And also, if you look at the top of the jam, it begins to have a slight glisten. That is when you know your jam is ready. And you can also do the spoon test where you hold it up and the little drip on the bottom stays in place and is tight. And once again, we have no dripping between the swipe and the spoon, so we are ready to place our jam into the jars. So just begin ladling your jam into your nice hot jars, working relatively quickly. You don't want your jam to start setting up in the pot. Next, wipe around the lids with a wet paper towel. This will ensure that your lid has a nice, smooth area to sit, and nothing will prevent it from sealing. And what I like to do at this stage is scrape off the excess and enjoy it. After all of that hard work, you deserve a treat, right? So we took these beautiful, fresh blueberries and we made some delicious blueberry jam for the winter months.